In the world of financial technology, AI is redefining decision-making. Welcome to Foorprint-AI at Singapore FinTech Festival, where intelligent MLOps meet secure financial innovation.
Worried about the AI budget explosion? With the Foorprint-AI Cafieto MLOps platform, you can experiment and optimize your models rapidly in the cloud, then deploy the best versions securely into your local system, achieving both high efficiency and data protection.
Financial AI adoption is changing and becoming leaner. We call it cloud-first, on-premise hybrid decision model.
With Foorprint-AI, banks and financial institutions can first run small-scale model trials, accurately evaluate benefits, and make procurement decisions based on real evidence. Lower risk, higher ROI, smarter adoption.
Foorprint-AI enabled financial institutions moving from unknown ROI to proven value.
Worried about risks when deploying new AI models? Canary deployment in Cafieto lets you roll out models to a limited group first, monitor performance in real time, and expand confidently without disrupting your operations.
Foorprint-AI empowers you to deploy updated models in Canary way to expand confidently without disrupting your operations.
Manual tuning too slow? Foorprint-AI's automated hyperparameter tuning explores optimal parameter combinations intelligently, strengthening model performance and decision quality.
Foorprint-AI speeds up your hybrid AI deployment and make every decision measurable and reliable and secured.
For more detailed information, tutorials, and troubleshooting, contact Xin Ho Ye or visit our website.